Mode, median, range, mean. You're first going to type your first name in the box here. You are then going to type your last name in the box here. You are then going to select your cycle number. Number 1, what is the mode of the following data set? Remember, mode is the number that appears the most. So the data is 8, 2, 5, 2, 11, 44, 10, 8, 9, 2, 13, 8, 2. Is it 8, 2, or 8 and 2? Number 2. What is the median of the following data set? Remember, median is the middle number in your data, but you have to make sure you put your data in order from least to greatest to determine your median correctly. Your choices are 8, 8.5, 5, or 9. Number 3, what is the range of the following data set? Range is the highest number in your data set subtracted by the smallest number in your data set. So is it 46, 44, 42, or 2? What is the mean of the following data set? Mean is the average of your data set. So you would add up all of your numbers and divide them, that total, by the amount of numbers that are in the data set. Once you get that answer, you have to round it to the nearest tenth if necessary. Your choices are 10, 9.54, 9.6, 9.5. Do you see any outliers in your data set? Yes or no?